YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. So on today's video, we are going to be driving the all-new Mahindra Thar. The all-new Mahindra Thar. So finally I get my hands on this beautiful machine and I must say it's a pleasant to drive this car. I mean, I wanted to do some off-roading in this car and all I could find near me for the time constraint is road construction work. So I'm out there and it's got a good amount of bumps and stuff like that. So it's not extreme off-roading what I'm doing, but then I just still wanted to feel how smooth it goes over. But boy, I have to say, it is taking it so easily. It's like, give me more. This is just, what is this? Are you making fun of me? So yeah. Right now, while checking on this partial off-roading, I must say the car just feels at home. I know it's capable of doing much more. I have the torque amount, like in 1000 RPM, it just keeps crawling and going, and anytime I give on the accelerator, it just wants to pounce and go. It is pretty awesome, I have to say. This car is awesome to drive, and the refinement levels compared to the previous Thars, I must say this one has set the bar much higher. It is so easy to drive. Trust me, it is so easy to drive. I'm not having any issues. It's just like some normal car I've just gotten. I need not go to the gym to turn the steering wheel or anything as such. The steering wheel is smooth. The clutch is smooth. The gear has a click, I should say. Each and every gear, it intimates me when I'm shifting the gear. And the suspension, yes, I do feel the jolts, but it's because I'm going in that pace. But then this car is just another level, you should say. It's a different breed, you know. You just want to have this car. It's so good. So off-roading, check. It can do it. It's not just refinement and it's not become a completely good boy. It is naughty too. You can take it outside the road. You can have your fun. I'm enjoying in this car. Let's see how this car reacts on the road. So Mahindra has told that this car is going to be a car for your daily commute also. You'll be able to drive it every day, go for trips, feel comfortable. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into the Bangalore traffic and check how this car drives. So right now I'm going through some narrow roads of Bangalore and I don't feel that I'm in a very huge car and I'm not able to drive it in between them. Actually, it feels very composed because I can see the hood completely. I have these huge mirrors which gives me very good visibility again, and not an issue at all. That's a good thing. So that yes, if you use this car as a daily driver, then I must say that you would be wantingly taking this car. Even if you have like 2-3 cars, you will want to take this car because it's pretty easy and fun to drive. So let's join to the main road. Let's see how it is when we go on to the traffic side of the car. So I'm joining the main road and yeah, let's stretch our legs a little. Comfort wise, I'm very comfortable. The steering is smooth. I need not give any much on that. It's easy to drive. Let me take a road where I have a little bit of traffic so that I'll be able to judge how the clutch is. So the clutch is smooth, I should say. It's just like so smooth. I don't feel like I'm stamping on something very heavy to change the gears. I have a good seating position. Like, I actually feel like I'm above everyone. It's such a high position, you know, right? So I'm just seated so high and I feel like I'm the boss of the road. Like, the car gives you that feeling. It's not that I'm just boasting out like this. The car gives you that feeling. So let me try stretching our legs a little bit. And oh yeah, it revs. Gets a little bit noisy, but that doesn't matter. It is not a slow car. Trust me guys, it is not at all a slow car. You can zoom with this car. Oh, and a nice horn also. I can totally see myself using this car as an everyday driver, because I don't see any trouble. Why not? Because in case an everyday driver is going to be a person who's just going to be alone or with somebody along with him, then going around like that. He is not going to be completely like fully loaded. Yes, it can be seated with 4 grown-ups, but the luggage compartment is a pretty less, so the airport runs wouldn't be a very practical one in the Thar. But let me say, it is something which you can't avoid. You will have fun with this car. So right now I'm in a signal, everything seems to be normal. So the car I'm driving today is a diesel variant, and it's a manual again. So if you want to know the technical aspects of the car, please go to my other review of the Thar, wherein I give you the complete review, stand around 360 review of the car. This, I'm going to be driving it completely, and I have the manual. I actually prefer to have a manual car, and this is the right choice for me. So the new suspension setup in this Mahindra Thar is very commendable. I must say, it takes in the shocks very easily. Let's say if you're going slow on the shocks, you actually feel them, but it's like when you increase the speed of the car, you actually stop feeling that jolts. It easily absorbs them. The brakes are very sharp also in this, so it's not just go, it does do the safety of stopping you also. And if you consider long drives, easily just put it onto the 5th gear, let it be in, let's say right now I'm in like 1500 RPM and cruising at like 60 to 70 speed, and you can just keep going. And for my comfort, I also have these steering mounted controls for me, so that everything in regards to like the media and the cruise control, everything is available. I don't have any trouble of that sort. So just like that, we've also done some partial off-roading and also everyday city drive, and I feel Mahindra has kept its word. The car is surely going to be taking care of you as an everyday driver. You can easily go through rough patches and at the same time just hit the clear tarmac and be comfortable to go to your spot which you want. So that's it from me guys on the all new Mahindra Thar 2020 drive review. So I hope you like the video. My heartfelt thanks to Sirish Auto for lending me this car and have this drive review. So thank you so much guys. I hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe and support the channel. I'll see you guys later in another video with another car. See you later. Bye bye.